Everyone's blending potatoes after discovering this genius idea. Let's start by adding 3 boiled potatoes, 200 g cream or milk, and some potato cooking water to the blender. Cover and blend it all really well. After it becomes creamy, transfer it to a container. Now let's add the wheat flour. I used about 8 tablespoons, which is roughly a cup. Season with salt to taste. Add a little black pepper. Now mix everything thoroughly. Turn the dough, add 2 eggs, and mix again. All set. Add some batter to a pan and spread it evenly. Once browned on both sides, fill as desired. I'm using mozzarella here. Fold it and wait for the cheese to melt. Just repeat the process and enjoy your pancake however you like. Look how amazing it turns out. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. That was another recipe from Pobrina Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time. Thanks.